Lawyers wrapped up their arguments today. Now the world waits to see whether a city once dubbed the arsenal of democracy will be allowed to fall into bankruptcy. It's now up to bankruptcy judge Stephen Rhodes to decide whether Detroit is eligible for the largest municipal bankruptcy in history. Creditors and retirees are objecting to a bankruptcy because they say emergency manager Kevin Orr did not negotiate in good faith. Attorney Stuart Gold is watching the proceedings.
The objectors have done a great job in poking the holes where they can in connection with the insolvency issues, whether or not the city's done enough in order to secure assets to provide for the pensions and for the union claimants and obviously the unsecured creditors. But I think at the end of the day, they really haven't gone over that hurdle that they have to get to for this judge to rule that the city is not insolvent.
Whether the city is eligible for bankruptcy is one issue. The other is whether Orr has the constitutional authority to slash state-guaranteed pensions.
The judge has made a determination very early on in this case that the issue of the pension and the constitutionality issues are somewhat separate from the eligibility issues that are in front of him today.
Gold expects a decision from Rhodes in 2 to 4 weeks. And if he decides Detroit cannot move forward in bankruptcy?
A lot of chaos that's going to go on with all the creditors going to try and get a piece of the city of Detroit.
And Detroit is $18 billion in debt, which includes $3.5 billion in underfunded pensions that could be virtually wiped away in bankruptcy. And there's a new development tonight on the sticky issue of retiree health care. The city's suspending changes that were supposed to kick in at the first of the year. Instead, the current health plan is extended until February 28th. And we're told the two sides will try to negotiate a long-term solution. A lawsuit over the issue will be withdrawn, at least while they talk. And stay with 7 Action News and WXYZ.com for continuing coverage of all the developments in the Detroit bankruptcy.